Hello students, this is Varun. Till now we have seen that real numbers consist of rationals and irrationals. In previous classes we did the presentation of rational numbers on number line. And now we will represent irrational numbers on number line. We know that square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 11 and square root of 12 and so on. These all are irrational numbers. Now today we will say that how can we represent these irrational numbers on number line. Before moving on, we need to recall Pythagoras theorem that we did in previous classes. According to Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. The side on which the triangle stands is base, and the side which makes an angle of 90 degree with base is what we call perpendicular. In a right angle triangle, sum of square of two sides other than hypotenuse is equals to square of hypotenuse. Means we say that perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. So Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of square of remaining two sides, and to represent square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5 or square root of 11 or root 12 on number line, we have to take help of Pythagoras theorem. Let us suppose we have a right angle triangle with perpendicular 1 unit and base 1. So by using Pythagoras theorem, the value of hypotenuse square will be base square plus perpendicular square. So it will be 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is again 1. So from here we get that hypotenuse square equals to 2, or we say hypotenuse equals to square root of 2. So we can conclude that if base is 1 unit and perpendicular is 1 unit, then hypotenuse will become square root of 2. Now we will use this thing to represent square root of 2 on number line. So for this we have to make a number line first. Draw a number line with appropriate scale. Here I have drawn a number line and the scale which I have chosen as 2 cm equals to 1 unit. So here is a number line, and let's give the numbering 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For square root of 2, we need base of 1 unit and altitude of 1 unit. 1 unit base is this much. So by taking base of 1 unit, we will make an altitude of 1 unit along 1. For that, we have to make an angle of 90 degree on 1. I am trying to darken it so that you become able to see it. That is how we make the angle of 90 degree. For altitude of 1 unit, we will open a compass equals to 1 unit, and we have to make an arc on this ray. That is how we get base as 1 unit and altitude as 1 unit. Now we have to make the hypotenuse like this. Base is 1, altitude is 1, and hypotenuse becomes square root of 2. Next, we will put a needle of compass at 0 and we will measure the length of square root of 2. This much is square root of 2 and we will locate this on number line by making an arc like this. I hope you can see it. And here we will write A. Next we write A represents square root of 2. Thank you.